Welcome back to the channel, automotive enthusiasts and adventure seekers. Today we are taking a fascinating look into a rapidly growing segment of the recreational vehicle market that is completely changing the way we think about travel on the road. While the highly romanticized van life movement continues to capture the imagination of millions around the globe, there is a distinct shift happening right now. The rising costs of fuel, increasingly restrictive urban parking limitations, and a strong desire for low-stress, agile travel are pushing a new generation of buyers entirely towards the micro-camper segment. Unlike massive motorhomes or traditional full-size camper vans that can be cumbersome and expensive to run, these highly compact rigs are proving to be the ultimate multi-tools. Often based on versatile platforms, these vehicles can effortlessly double as your daily commuter car, while simultaneously offering all the essential features you need for a comfortable weekend camping trip. This dual-purpose nature proves that you absolutely do not need a heavy, coach-built land yacht to enjoy the freedom of the open road. Leading the charge in this innovative sector of the market is a highly respected company called Well House Leisure. Based in Barnsley, South Yorkshire, this team has been meticulously building and refining microcampers since the early 2000s. Their wealth of experience means they know exactly how to maximize every single square inch of a small vehicle, with practical layouts and incredibly ingenious features. One of their most recent and arguably most impressive conversions is based on a rather unexpected platform, the Mitsubishi Delica D2. Now, for those familiar with the legendary off-road adventure vans, the name Delica usually brings to mind a lifted, rugged, four-wheel drive behemoth ready to tackle any wilderness. However, the Delica D2 is an entirely different breed of machine. It is essentially a rebadged version of the Suzuki Solio. While its boxy proportions might make it look exactly like a classic Japanese kei car, it is actually slightly larger and packs a much more capable engine, making it a brilliant foundation for a compact camper conversion. For this specific line of specialized camper conversions, the team at Well House Leisure is strategically importing older, high-quality second and third generation Delica D2 and Suzuki Solio units directly from Japan, which were originally produced between the years 2010 and 2020. These exceptionally compact models measure a mere 149 inches in overall length, 64.5 inches in width, and stand just 68.5 inches tall. Those footprint dimensions mean this vehicle is phenomenally easy to maneuver through the tightest city streets, squeeze into standard supermarket parking spaces, and navigate the narrowest countryside lanes leading to secluded campsites. Under the hood, this little Japanese city van is powered by a highly reliable 1.2-liter four-cylinder gasoline engine. While it is a modest powertrain producing around 90 horsepower and roughly 87 pound-feet of torque, it is perfectly paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission for an effortless driving experience. What truly sets the Well House Leisure conversion apart is the incredibly thoughtful way the interior has been packaged to cater specifically to the solo traveler. They have managed to squeeze an unbelievable amount of functionality into this tiny footprint, turning it into a fully self-contained mobile habitat. The layout features 3 fully belted travel seats, including a brilliant swivel mechanism on the front passenger seat and a dedicated single rear travel seat in the back. When it comes time to turn in for the night, the interior converts to reveal a comfortable single bed. Because the sleeping arrangements are tailored for one, this rig is intended for the independent adventurer who values simplicity, minimalism, and the sheer convenience of a completely personalized setup. This intentional design choice frees up a significant amount of interior volume that would otherwise be dedicated to a massive fold-out bed. Dominating this brilliantly executed floor plan is a surprisingly expansive L-shaped kitchen. This culinary setup runs seamlessly across the absolute rear and the driver's side of the van, providing the lone occupant with a remarkably generous amount of usable counter space for meal preparation. It comes fully equipped with a high-quality glass-covered cooker, a stainless steel sink for washing up, and a highly practical 20-liter drawer-style refrigerator. When you are parked at camp and you raise the large rear tailgate, that rear section of the counter instantly transforms into a phenomenal outdoor serving or dining area. The open tailgate provides natural rain and sun protection, and if you bring along a small portable cooker, you have the perfect setup for cooking outdoors while enjoying the scenery, keeping the interior of your microcamper completely free from lingering cooking smells. The engineering marvels packed into this tiny Mitsubishi do not stop at the kitchen. The designers at Well House have even managed to find room for a highly essential piece of camping gear, a portable toilet. It is cleverly stowed away on a low shelf situated right behind the driver's seat. To ensure you remain comfortable and self-sufficient while camping off the grid, the electrical system features a dedicated leisure battery, a roof-mounted solar panel, a mains hookup, and a split-charge relay. You also get an onboard freshwater supply, highly efficient LED lighting, and a powerful 2-kilowatt blown air heating system. These bespoke builds enter the market with an incredibly attractive starting price of around $26,300. It is an exceptionally accessible entry point into the van life community, offering endless adventure without the massive financial commitments of a traditional RV.